Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine by God's grace. So guys, today's video I will be using Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner for my pre-poo treatment. So here is Blue Magic coconut oil. Is very light, like very light. It's not that think it's not think like the other Blue Magic. As you can see, is very light, so that's why I chose this coconut oil one, because it's light, and when I add other oil to it, it's going to be lighter. So that's why I choose to use this one. So the next one is the original Blue Magic. This is the original Blue Magic, the anti breakage formula. So it's also good to keep our hair conditioned and also help to soften our hair. So, and it's also light in consistency. That's why I'm also choosing this one. As you can see, it's very light, that it can penetrate through your hair very well. So it's light. So I'm also going to add little of this inside my jug. So as you can see, I'm just going to add little of that, then I will just put that aside. So now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. So guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Hope you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out any of my new video. So here I have my olive oil. I'm going to add about a spoon of olive oil, guys. I'm not going to be adding too much oil, so I'll just be adding just spoon of each of my oil. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. All this oil is so good for our hair. Here I have hibiscus, I have fenugreek seed and black seed oil inside this bottle. So I made it myself. The video is already on my channel. Just go and check it out. I'll leave it at the description box below, or at the card, or anywhere around this video. So now the next thing I'm going to add is my avocado, rosemary, ginger, and what else is here, and lime or orange. So this are my DIY hair grow oil. So I'm just going to add 1 spoon of that. So here I have sesame, pure sesame oil, which is so good for our hair grow also. So I'm just going to add also 1 spoon of sesame oil inside also. Guys, this pre-poo treatment is so good for my hair. You have to give it a try. You are going to love it. It's going to work well for your hair. So here I have my sweet almond oil. I'm also going to add 1 spoon of sweet almond oil to this also. Guys, you can add any oil that you have. Apart from this oil that I'm adding, you can add any other oil. So I'm also going to add my glycerine, so to add more moisture to my hair. So I'm going to add glycerine to this also. So yeah, good. I'm going to add just 1 spoon of glycerine. Glycerine also good to keep our hair moisturized when you add it to your hair product. So guys, now this is everything that we'll be adding, but I will still be adding something. So I'm going to add my castor oil, guys. You guys know castor oil is so good for hair growth. It's so beneficial for our hair growth. Also keep our hair moisturized, and also to grow our hair. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of that also to my mixture. Then now I'm just going to mix everything together. As you can see, I'm just going to mix everything together. Then my pre-poo treatment, my Blue Magic pre-poo treatment will be ready. So guys, this can help you to detangle your hair very well, and it can also help to soften your hair, prepare your hair for a healthy wash day routine. So guys, if you have not used your Blue Magic for your pre-poo, what have you been using it for? Just give it a try. You are going to love it. Like, you are going to come back to thank me later. So Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner is also good to keep our hair moisturized, and also give our hair a special luster to our hair, and also prevent dryness. That is, it also help to prevent dryness from our hair. It also help to prevent breakage, and also help to prevent split end. It also reduce the appearance of frizz on our hair, which is so good. Coconut oil is so good for our hair. It's a very moisturizing product for our hair. It can also be used after you don't wash your hair finish. You don't wash your hair finish, now you want to put your hair for protective style, if you use coconut oil, because it will good for your hair, keep your hair moisturized. So guys, here is my hair. This my hair is looking like, I just take down my twist that I did, so I went out, so decided to feel my hair, not every time protective style. So sometimes I just take out my hair, let me still enjoy my hair. So that is how my hair is looking like before I'm going to wash it out. So yeah, I'm just going to add the product. You can see how my hair is already looking flourishing. My hair is flourishing. So guys, I'm going to add water to my hair first, then I will just add my pre-poo treatment, my Blue Magic pre-poo treatment, pre-shampoo treatment, anyone I want color. Okay. So yeah, now I'm just going to add this to my hair. Like, this is so good. It help me to detangle my hair very well. Like, when I use that to detangle my hair, guys, the cold just dey pass and through fear, no hold up, no traffic for road. Like, the thing just dey pass, just dey waka straight swipe. So now I'm just going to add this to my hair, as you can see, just to make my hair look good, look beautiful, look amazing. Like, the benefit is out of this pod. Can help you to grow your hair, keep your hair moisturized, and all that good stuff. So guys, so thank you guys so much for like your love for me. It not get boundary, like the love for me not get boundary. I thank you very much. Thank you when I tell they come back, come watch my video, come subscribe, come turn on your post notification. Like, thank you guys so much, and I do well for my body. Now God bless you too. See? Now God bless you. Because me I not feel blessed now. So now, as you can see how the comb was just going through my hair, like the comb was just going through my hair. Like, this is going to help you to detangle your hair very well. Like, if you have stubborn hair, just try this Blue Magic for a pre-poo. Add some other oil to it to activate it, to add more benefits, more effort, more effect to your hair. Like, mixing it with other oils that you love, like essential oil. Why I did not use essential oil? Because my oil that I have, my DIY oil, there's already essential oil inside, so I don't want to be wasting my essential oil because it's so special to me. So that's why I did not use essential oil. So you can add any essential oil that you like to this product when you want to use it, guys. You are going to love it. Don't just that it. That you are going to love it, guys. So good. So I'm going to be doing other grease that I have also to prepare my hair, which is so good. I'll be using it. I will try other hair grease also to use it to prepare my hair, because I love Blue Magic. That coconut oil and the other original one is very light, like light, it's very light. So that's why I always use this to prepare my hair. So I decided to come and show you guys, to see you, make una come see you wetin I still dey do for my hair. Maybe una feel like no, I don't fit keep am to myself, so I got to share with you guys, my friends, my family. You all are my friends and my family, so I can't share am with una. So this how my hair is looking like now. Like, sometimes when I take down my twist, I don't want to wash my hair because the coils will so be beautiful. Like, the coil will so be beautiful. Like, to wash my hair would just be like, let me just leave it for another week. I mean, I cannot stay without washing my hair a week. I love to wash my hair once a week. That way, my hair can be growing, like keeping my routine every week is, yeah, really helped me a lot. So skipping 1 week without washing my hair, I know I dey feel uncomfortable. Like, I don't know if you guys understand. They feel uncomfortable. You know, it's like it's part of me now. Washing my hair every week is part of me. The day when I not wash my hair a week, I dey feel somehow. So now when I take down my twist, I just decided to say, let me just leave my hair for another week, because this twist that was so beautiful, like the thing fine, not be small. So guys, I'm just going to just let you guys watch the video. As you can see how the product really work for my hair. Everything just looks so beautiful. My hair is so beautiful. Let me praise myself. Yeah, my hair is beautiful. Just give it a try. Like, you are going to love it. It's going to benefit your hair a lot in detangling your hair, keeping your hair strong. Like, no more breakage. Like, when you start using this product to prepare your hair, there will be no more breakage. If you use it on your hair, like as a styler, you can also use it as a styler, as a sealer, or anything that you want to use Blue Magic with. It's so good. Like, activating it, like adding other oil, will help activate, like put more effect, more benefit, more strength to the product to work well on your hair. So that's why when I want to use any grease, I like to add some oils to it to make the product really work very well on my hair. So this is how my hair, this is what I do for my hair grow, guys. Very soon I will make like full wash day routine from the beginning to the end, like pre-poo, shampoo, conditioner, styling, and all that, just in one video for you guys to see my routine on how I take care of my hair and all that stuff. So guys, if you have tried Blue Magic or any other grease for your pre-poo treatment, just leave your comment at the comment section below and let me know, okay? Let me know. So this is the other side of my hair. I will make the other part and I will leave this part. So today I decided to show you all my hair, how I apply product to all my hair. Just watch this, how my hair is looking like the other side. So guys, this is so cool. Like, you can also use this for a wash and go. Look at that coils, really activate my coils, like make my coil pump more, so which I also love. So here we are. Thank you guys so much for watching to this very point. I really appreciate you. Give me like if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. Turn on your post notification if you forgot the last time that you subscribed. Remember now to turn it on. If you are not yet a subscriber and you just subscribe, also remember to turn on your post notification. It's very important so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So when you turn it on, the YouTube will send you a notification post that myself I've uploaded a new video. Okay, that's how it was. So guys, thank you so much for your love and support. So this is how I have been preparing my hair with my Blue Magic hair grease with other oil to activate the strength. So this is how my hair is looking like now. So you can see, all done. My hair is looking so refreshed. Now I'm going to cover my hair and I will call it a day. So the next day I'm going to wash off my hair. Though, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys so much. Leave it in and wash it off.